Forget individual AI tools. The real power is in building AI stacks. You're chasing the wrong thing. What if the real problem isn't finding the right AI tool, but how you organize them? Keep watching. Why do some people effortlessly integrate AI and others get stuck chasing shiny objects while watching endless tutorials? Imagine bypassing all of that. Before I show you the 3-layer AI stack framework, you need to understand one counterintuitive thing first, because without it, everything else fails. You are about to see why. You're overwhelmed, right? A new AI tool launches every single day, and all of them promise to change everything. You buy in, try it, spend hours learning it, integrate it, maybe. Then, a week later, the hype fades. You've just seen the rat race in action. That's not just frustrating. That's a system designed to keep you spinning your wheels. Next, we'll reveal the real pain. Why you're actually afraid of automation. You're not just overwhelmed, you're afraid. Afraid of wasting time. Afraid of wasting money. Afraid of choosing the wrong tool and being left behind. Because in today's game, that means irrelevance. You keep failing because you're treating AI tools as isolated solutions, like individual Lego bricks to build a skyscraper. You focus on the features, the price, the marketing, not on the architecture. You haven't seen the blueprint. But what does it look like when somebody does know the architecture? How does understanding these 3 distinct layers unlock capabilities that are normally reserved for big businesses with massive engineering teams? You now know why shiny object syndrome is actually a system failure. That's not just a personal flaw, that's a result of only looking at the surface. Now let's dive into the breakthrough, the 3-layer AI stack. The answer is not to find the perfect AI tool. The answer is to build AI stacks. 3 layers: foundation, integration, and application. The foundation layer. This is your core infrastructure. Your data. Think database, cloud storage, and AI models tuned for your specific datasets. It's not about the flashiest UI. It's about rock-solid storage, retrieval, and processing. This layer is where you train the AI itself. The integration layer. This is where the magic happens. APIs, webhooks, custom scripts that seamlessly connect your foundation layer to other tools. This layer is the glue. It's about workflows and automation. The goal: zero manual data transfer. The application layer. This is the user-facing layer. The tool, the dashboard, the custom UI that you and your team actually use. Most people start here, and that's the problem. You can choose any tool that interfaces with the layer below, but if nothing is connected, you have nothing. Lesson 1. Start with your data. Build out, not down. Identify the core data you need to automate and build the foundational layer first. Lesson 2. Document everything. Every API endpoint, every webhook, every custom script. This is the bedrock of a resilient, scalable AI stack, a system that can adapt. Lesson 3. Focus on ROI from day 1. Every automation should have a clear, measurable goal. Time saved, cost reduced, revenue generated. Without it, you're just playing with toys. Here's your challenge. Pause the video. Think about one specific task that eats up your time every week. Now map out how you could automate it using these 3 layers. What data is required? Which tools need to be integrated? What would the application layer look like? Pause it. Think. I'll wait. Okay, so you now understand the architecture. But what does future-proofing really mean in the age of AI? What's the hidden threat that no one talks about? You now know why the 3-layer architecture is critical. That's not just a framework. That's the difference between a toy project and a sustainable system. Now, let's close the open loops and reveal the breakthrough. So, why do some effortlessly integrate, while others chase shiny objects? Because they design the stack first and choose the tools second. How does this unlock capabilities reserved for big business? Because you're no longer reliant on a single tool. You can swap components, upgrade models, and adapt to change without rewriting everything. It's that simple. Today, identify one area of your business where you can start building your foundational data layer. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just start collecting. That's it. There is one secret fourth layer to this system, the one that transforms this from a smart automation framework into revenue. That drops tomorrow. Your profile will show it when it lands.